Our topic today is all about the triangle inequality theorem and their corollaries. This time, let us answer the given question. Okay, so based on the given straw, so do you think we can make a triangle with these 3 drinking straws? So the measure of the 3 straws are, we have 4 cm, 6 cm, and 10 cm. O paano natin ma-identify if we can form a triangle? Example, mahawak na straw. So paano mo malalaman kung makaka-form ka ng triangle? Anong gagawin mo? Sige. Diba, i-connect mo. So, hindi naman natin tititigan mo lang, ma-identify mo ba na may mapaform tayong triangle. So, we're going to connect the corner of the end point of the given straw. Okay, so this time, i-connect natin yung mga given straw. Okay, gumalaw ka, 10 cm. About 4 cm. And we have 6 cm. Now, do you think nakaform ba tayo ng triangle? No, hindi nag-connect yung end point nila, hindi nagtama. So therefore, using 4 cm, and then 6 cm and 10 cm straw, cannot make a triangle. Now let's answer this question. Okay, without moving the straw. So how can we tell when 3 lengths form a triangle? So kapag daw hindi natin ginalaw yung straw, do you think we can identify if we can form a triangle given lang yung measurement? Okay. So based on your experience, no, di ba? We cannot easily identify if we can form a triangle by given only the length of the sides. So this time, so without moving the straw, we can identify if we can form a triangle using the triangle inequality theorem. So hindi natin gagalawin yung straw. Ma-identify natin if we can form a triangle or not. So using the triangle inequality theorem and its corollary. Okay, so first, let us define the meaning of triangle inequality theorem. Okay, when we say triangle inequality theorem, everyone?
In any triangle, the sum of the lengths of any 2 sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side.
Okay, this is an example of triangle. So, how many sides do we have? 3 sides. Ang sabi daw dyan, anak, sa triangle inequality theorem, since meron tayong 3 sides, the sum of the 2 sides is always greater than to the third sides. Okay, so let us assume that the measure of this side is A, and this is B, and this is C. So to identify if we can form a triangle, kailangan daw anak, yung sum ng dalawang side ay laging mas mataas compare sa other side. So what we're going to do, we need to find the sum of A and B. And then kailangan ang sagot sa sum ng A and B ay mas mataas sa letter C. So, i-apply natin to. So, A plus B is always greater than C. Ano pa po? Hindi lang po ito yung i-add natin. I-add din po natin si B and C. B and C is always greater than A. At ano pa po ang i-add? A and C. Very good. A plus C is always greater than B. Kailangan anak, 3 greater than ang makukuha natin. Kapag 3 greater than ang makukuha natin, then we can say that we can form a triangle. So, hindi natin gagalawin yung straw. Magsasolve lang tayo. Kapag 3 greater than ang makuha, then we can form a triangle.